Managing Scarcity, Mastering Resource Limitations. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing concept, managing scarcity. This phrase is not just a pair of words but a deep insight into how we handle limited resources in various aspects of our lives. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about English expressions, this video will help you understand and use this phrase effectively. Let's dive in. Scarcity refers to the limited availability of resources, which could be anything like time, money, natural resources, or even skills. The term managing in this context means the ways in which we handle, control, or make the most out of these limited resources. Together, managing scarcity is all about how we effectively deal with situations where resources are not abundant. It's a fundamental concept in economics, but it also applies to everyday life scenarios. Let's look at some practical examples. 1. Budgeting. When people have limited money, they budget. This is managing scarcity by prioritizing spending on essential things first. 2. Time management. We all have only 24 hours in a day. Choosing what to do with our time is another form of managing scarcity. 3. Environmental conservation. With the Earth's limited natural resources, efforts to recycle and conserve are ways of managing scarcity on a global scale. The phrase is not just about economics or resource management. It's also deeply embedded in culture and language. It reflects a mindset of being resourceful and innovative in the face of limitations. Understanding this concept can help you appreciate various cultural attitudes towards resources and why certain decisions are made in business, politics, and personal life. When you use this phrase in conversations, it shows a level of sophistication and understanding of complex issues. You can use it in various contexts, such as discussing business strategies. The company is managing scarcity by optimizing its production processes. In academic settings, this research focuses on managing scarcity of clean water in arid regions. Personal life. I'm managing scarcity by planning my weekly meals to reduce food waste. I hope this video has helped you grasp the meaning and use of managing scarcity. It's a powerful phrase that captures a significant aspect of our lives: how we deal with limited resources. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English and provides deeper insights into various aspects of life. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of the English language.